Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you this easy makeup look which you can do for any party. So without wasting any more time, let's begin. To start off with, I'm using this Colorbar primer, just about a pump on the areas where I have larger pores so that they are blurred out and my foundation is applied seamlessly. I have slightly larger pores on and around my nose, on my forehead and on my chin. Now next for my foundation, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me Foundation and I'm dotting it all over my face and neck.
I like to love you every day. I like to love you, I like to love you, if I may.
Now I'm using this damp beauty blender from PAC and I'm going to blend in the foundation very well.
I like to love you, I like to love you night and day, if I may. I like to I like to love you every day. I like to love you, I like to love you, if I may. I like to love you.
Next, I'm using this L'Oreal's concealer on the problematic areas on my skin, which is under my eyes, on my lids, around my nose, around my mouth, and on my acne scars.
I like to I like to love you every day. I like to love you, I like to love you, if I may. All I do is adore you all of the time. I like to I like to I like to love you every day.
Next, I'm using the L'Oreal's compact powder, and on a big powder brush, I'm going to set the areas where I've applied concealer. And whatever's left on the brush, I'm going to use it to set my foundation.
I like to love you, I like to love you, I like to love you night and day.
Next for blush, I'm using this Colorbar's Cheekillusion blush and I'm going to put it on the apples of my cheeks.
I like to I like to love you every day. I like to love you.
Now moving on to the eyes, I'm taking the Maybelline Color Sensational's eyeshadow Quartz and taking the bronzy shade and placing it on my eyelids.
I like to love you, I like to love you, I like to love you night and day, if I may. I like to
I'm using a blending brush and blending out the edges of the eyeshadow so that it looks seamless.
I like to love you,
I'm doing the same thing to my other eye.
if I may. I like to love you, I like to love you, I like to love you night and day, if I may.
Next, I'm using Colorbar Just Smoky Kajal and I'm lining my eyelids and also putting it on my waterline.
I'd like to love you every day. I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to.
Now with a smudger that comes at the back of the pencil, I'm smudging the areas where I've put kajal.
I'd like to love you every day. I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you, love you. If I may, if I may.
I'll now do the same step on my other eye.
I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you night and day. If I may, may. I'd like to. I'd like to love you every day.
With an eyelash curler, I'll now curl my lashes.
I'd like to love you, love you. If I may.
Now I'll coat my upper and lower lashes with tons of mascara.
I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you night and day. If I may, may. I'd like to.
Now moving on to the brows, I'll use my Miss Claire brow cake and start filling in my brows.
I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you, love you. If I may, if I may. I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you.
Now you'll see the difference a well-defined eyebrow does to your face.
I'd like to. I'd like to love you every day.
Now moving on to the last step of this routine, I'm taking this Chambor's liquid lipstick and putting it on my lips.
I'd like to.
The products listed in this video will be put down in the description box below, so do check them out. And also Nykaa has a monsoon sale going on wherein you'll get these products at a discounted rate. So go check it out.
I'd like to love you, love you.
That's it for this look, guys. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.
All of the time. I'd like to.